Three, two, one. Welcome back, guys. We are back in a new video. Before we start, let me just check three things. First thing is the mic. Mic check one, two, three. Second thing is recording is on. Third thing is the timer is on. And the fourth and the last important thing is the screen is getting shared or not. Yeah, it is getting shared because it is now a fear of me, brother, that I have literally recorded almost like 15 minutes of video, but then I found like there was mic is not working, mic was pretty much off, and screen was not getting shared. So it turns out like I just talk with myself only. So not good. So okay, so let's start with this. Welcome back every single one to this video. Pretty much. Let me just take it my mouse. My mouse is pretty much like my camera is coming over here. Okay, so cool. So, welcome back to this video. This is the Sunday Swings, which we are going to do the analysis of the next week. Pretty much, we're going to do the analysis of the 13 April to 17 April. What trades we are going to take, what are we going to look for, and every single thing. Every single thing we're going to analyze of each and every single currency. It's not like I'm going to take only Euro USD and only Euro. I'm going to do the analysis of only Euro USD. No, I have 28 different currencies. I'm going to analyze all of these currencies one by one. So this is it. So this video is going to get divided into four type of sections. The first section is going to be the pure full theory, which is like I'm going to read my trading plan and I'm going to update it. That is what the first step is going to look. First section is going to look for. The second section is then will become for the second section. The second section is the before and the after. What I have predicted at the start of the week and what has happened now at the end of the week. We're going to look for before and after. The third section is going to be the pure technical analysis. A full analysis of every single currencies you're looking into right here. Every single currencies. That is what the third section looks like, and the fourth section looks like the full summary of the whole video. What trades I'm going to look into, like within 5 minutes I will be covered up what trades I'm going to look into, and what I am looking for taking the trade, either buy or the sell. And that is literally, this video is purely going to be educational and also going to be my track record, proof of a track. Who the fuck is shouting right now? Proof of the track record. Yeah, so this is it. So let's start with section 1. This is not a section 1. This is going to be section 1. That is the strategy trading plan tracking. So let's open this trading plan tracking. This is a Google Docs, and how in the world it have gone picture of the Google sheet. It's pretty unincredible, right? So yeah, we are going to actually read all of this. It just take like 5 minutes if we go through all of it item one. So let's start with this. Let me just confirm it. Video is getting recorded. Timer is on. Microphone is
It's
on.
17 hours.
Screen is also getting shared. Beautiful. So let's start. So first thing first, trading success sheet. The goal is to become financially free, consistently making 1% per month on $100,000 account, which is equals to $1,000, which is equals to 84,000 INR approximately. It is so easy. So by following this trading plan, we can easily make 4.8% per month, which is equivalent to $4,800, which is equivalent to 3,98,400 INR per month. Simple as that. Like this is it. This is what we are going to look into. Long term goal, having four funded accounts, minimum of $300,000 per account, which is total of $1.2 million of total funding, of total capital, and making only 4.8% per month, which is equivalent to 57,600 INR, which is equivalent to 47 lakh 80,800 INR. This is what our long term goal is. Pretty much will be achieving within 7 to 8 months. and I have planned it. Trading plan. So this is what we're going to look for. We're going to look for only one trade per week. We're going to risk 0.10%, which equals to $100 per trade. And we're going for risk to reward ratio, which is equals to 1 is to 2 risk to reward ratio. So win rate is going to be 90%, and pretty much if you're taking one trade per week, that means enough in a whole month there are 4 weeks in a whole month. So one trade per week with a 90% win rate. Yeah, I have 90% win rate near about. So three trades will win, one trade will lose. This is simple. Oh yeah, so now the real fucking the real fucking shit. So now we are down. This is the actual thing. So we are down nearly about 7.6%. So I'm down. We are now $400 are remaining only for losing that account, and this is all of because of my mistake. That bullshit motherfucking mistake I have done. Crazy. I'm laughing in the mistake. Like, how in the world I have done such type of mistakes? Like, crazy. Like, crazy. I'm like, what is this? Whoa, 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 what? Funded next global payment experience survey. Oh no. I just, I just don't want to. I am recording the video, my dear brother. The password is not getting visible, right? Right, exactly. So look at this. Yeah. Mm, oh yeah. I was like, fuck. It was it. So balance looks like 92,400.81. 92,000. 400. Oh no. 481. 400.81. 400.81. 92,400.81, which is equal to minus 7.6%. We are down. Cool. Yeah, it's okay. So max loss we can go for 400.81. 400.81. So we need to, for break even, we need to make $7,600 to come back to break even. Okay, cool. Sounds great. So this is how it looks like. If I lose $400, I will be losing the access to this $100,000 funded account, and I don't want to. So that's why I have risks. I have reduced my risk to the minimum possible, which is like only $100, which is very much achievable. So we like I have planned we will never gonna lose this account because now we have 400. I will explain you. See, so now we have $400 maximum for losing this account. So I can technically lose four times in a row. For after losing four times in a row, then I will be losing this account. But I have planned. This is a huge, brilliant plan. If I lose two of the times, then I will be down $200, and only $200 will be remaining, right? So now I will divide this remaining $200 divide by 5, and that is how I'm going to risk that answer per trade. So 200 divided by 5 is equals to how much? This way we'll never gonna lose this account. 200 divided by 5, $40. Then will be risks $40 per trade, and after 5 trades losing, then we'll blow the account. But I will keep continuing this. After this 3 trades, after losing, after risking $40 per trade, after 3 trades losing, then the remaining two trades will be two two trades will be still remaining. So I will divide the risks of this two trades divided by 5, and I will keep like dividing, and I will never and ever lose this account. But when we start making it money, then I will use asymmetric compounding, stack the profit, win, and that is how I'm going to increase the risks. I will be safest possible. I'm going to flip this account now pretty much within. I have literally, okay, I have closed that tab, but I literally have planned every single thing. Like my whole year is planned. When I'm going to start this flipping, when it is going to happen, every single thing. So I will not waste my time by opening that thing, or should I? Let's open that. Why not? Like crazy. Like why not? It just take like hold on. या या नाही मम्मी नाही ना या बसा
काम करत होतो व्हय?
कशी तुमची तब्येत
व्यवस्थित बाबा.
हो का
पत्रिका द्यायला आलते, त्यांना फोन केला पण त्याला फोन उचले
हा मम्मी ते ड्युटीला असते ना 7 वाजेपर्यंत फोनच नाही उचलता येत तिला
रविवारी असते की नाही सुट्टी?
नाही रविवारी असते सुट्टी
असते
हा.
ना?
आज शनिवारी आहे.
आणि किती वाजता येतात?
7 वाजता येतात म्हणजे 7 ला सुटतात मग ते 7:40 पर्यंत येतात.
हा.
हो कोणाची पत्रिका आहे ती
वरूनची.
अरे बापरे
त्या दिवशी साखरपुड्याचं मम्मीला सांगितलं नाही तू. मम्मी मला म्हणले मला सांगितलंच नाही.
हा का नाही मला नाही
तुला
सांगितलं.
आठवणच नाही. तिला मंदिराकडे सांगितलं नाही का मी? स्वामींच्या
हा,
मंदिरापाशी तू
तिकडे-
फोन पार्सल घ्यायला
हो,
आला होता
हो.
कोणाचा तरी.
हो तिकडे भेटलो होतो आपण तेव्हा ते हे बोलणं झालं की ते तो स्टॉक मार्केट करतो
हा आणि
आणि-
साखरपुडा आहे म्हंटल त्याचं, तुला मी म्हणलं नाही का?
म्हणजे तेव्हा
तारखेला-
तेव्हा म्हणले असतील पण ते मला लक्षात नाही
मी
राहिलं
म्हणलं
साखरपुडा.
मम्मीला सांग घरी गेल्यावर.
हा मग म्हणले असतील तुम्ही
विसरून
बरोबर
गेला.
बरोबर.
बरं झालं मी फोन केला त्यांना. त्या मला म्हणल्या अगं मला माहितीच नाही म्हणे. मी लाव मी तुला सांगितलं.
खरंच
मला
खरंच
म्हणे मला काहीच बोललंच नाही म्हणे तू. मला म्हणे तुझा फोन केला नसेल मी आलेच नसते म्हणे. मला सुरेखा बोलली होती साखरपुडा आहे.
हा ना ते राहिलंच माझ्याकडून मग ते
तू गडबडीत गेला असेल,
हा
विसरून गेला असेल.
खरंच
नाव टाक ना.
नाव ना पेन आता एक मिनिट पेन आहे
मला पप्पांचं नावच माहित नव्हतं म्हणून मी ठाकूर नाही आणलं.
फॅन लावू का
नाही जाऊ दे आता जायचंच आहे 2 मिनिटं. मला जायचंय कामावर. अरे
पप्पांचं नाव टाकू ना
हो पप्पांचं नाव टाकायचं ना. आता पत्रिका देताना पप्पांचंच टाकावं लागतं. मम्मीचं नाही टाकता येत
हा
ना.
ना मग चिंता आणि हे
हा. तुलाच द्यायची ती.
हो.
हे या लागणार सगळे
नक्की नक्की कॉंग्रॅच्युलेशन कधी लग्न
26 ला.
अरे वा
झालं इथंच आहे आपल्या नगरमध्येच आहे.
हा
सुविधाला
हा तिथं
ते काटून खंड बाजार
हो,
म्हणते का
हो.
त्याच्या आतमध्ये
त्याच्या
एंडिंगला
आतमध्ये हो
तिथे.
खूप मोठं लॉन आहे छान आहे
हा
तिथं.
मग तिथंच आहे.
हो ना
हा. ये मग हा?
नक्की नक्की
आणि मम्मीला सांग. मम्मीला म्हणा अशा मावशी निरोप सांगितलाय की हळदीचे गाणे म्हणाले यायचे तुम्हाला. हा?
नक्की सांगेल नक्की
शुक्रवारी
सांगेल
हळद आहे त्यांना सांग.
हो.
हळदीला आणि बांगड्याला बोलवलंय मी.
नक्की सांगेल मी
सांग नाही तर मी फोन करते तसं 2
हा.
मिस कॉल मारले तर येईल त्यांचा संध्याकाळी फोन मला.
हो.
पण तरी पण तू सांग बाबा
मी
आठवणीने.
नक्की हो
कारण
सांग.
कसं होतं अरे मी कधी कधी कामात विसरते ना.
विसरतात हो मी
तेवढं नक्की
नक्की
सांगा.
नक्की
मला
नक्की
हळदीला आणि बांगड्या भरायला तुम्हाला बोलवलेलं आहे.
हो.
आणि गाणे पण येतात. तुम्हाला गाणे म्हणायचे म्हणा हळदीचे.
नक्की सांगेल
त्यांच्या मैत्रिणी कोण आहे ते बघायचं होतं मला. विचारायचं होतं त्यांना पण आता नेमकं त्या पण नाहीत ना.
हो
आणि
नाही.
7 वाजेपर्यंत मी थांबणार नाही.
हा
असं आहे.
तसं आहे
चालेल मी फोनवर बोलते त्या.
चालेल चालेल चालेल
पण तरी आठवणीने सांग.
नक्की सांगेल मी
नाही
या
तर फोन करायला सांगितलं तरी बस.
हो हो या परत The guest lights is on. I need to close the light. So boys, yeah, the guests were came. They have invited for the wedding. Okay, so let's continue where we left off. right? So actually, yeah, we were on to this. Mm, mm, mm. Oh yeah. All right, boys. Mic is on, screen is on, recording is on. All right. So this is like I have planned every single thing. Like look at this. 2026 year is completely planned with the quarterly. I have planned with the quarterly. So like now this quarter two is coming up. I mean it's ongoing. So I have literally planned with the month. So this is the goal of this quarter, and this is the output we are going to get from this quarter to monthly basis. Look at this. We will be finishing this, and this is more drop down. Look at this. So now I have scheduled it with the monthly plan as well. So now we will go for April month, and this April month, this output looks like of this April month, and to achieve this output, this is get divided in a weekly basis. So now this is already done. So now this is a week. So this is the goal of this week. 6 and 7 lecture needs to be complete. So today is going to be a sixth lecture, and tomorrow is going to be the seventh lecture is going to get completed. So this is and guess what? This is fucking schedule, brother. Like you wanna see open managing calendar, every single thing is scheduled. So now that like if I don't follow the plan, then I instantly will understand like what goes wrong. Something goes wrong or what. Look at this. This is a sixth lecture. Today, this is a calendar of today. And this is a sixth lecture time. It's crazy, like crazy. I have now it is impossible to get fail. Imagine like if I imagine I've told you that this is a system, and if you follow this system, if you like this is impossible to get fail. Whatever your goal is, you will achieve 100% sure. Cool, right? All right, so let's go down, and this is a whole weekly basis tracking table. So we have down minus 7.7.5060. Yeah, cool. So we are in negative of minus 7.60. Um, hit SL, hit SL, but we could easily avoid that stop loss cause of the new entry model I have come up with. Literally, with that entry new model, I have backtested it. There was literally 17 trades, and from that 17 trades, there was actually if you just don't use that entry model, there was a 11 loss in that 17 trades. But if I use this entry model,
It's 17:15.
that's 11 losses got lower to just 2 losses. And I'm literally going like I was shocked like whoa, this is like crazy. I got the power, man. So now this is the 13 to 17 April, 13 April 2026 to 17 April 2026. 13 to 17 April 2026. This week target is going to be $200 and will be pretty much going to achieve it. So this is what the thing is. The last and the best of this is a notes. Consistency is greater than speed. Stick to the plan, stay patient, focus on executions, not on emotions. One plan, one process, one goal is equals to freedom, my dear brother, is equals to freedom. Now we have successfully finished the section 1 of this video. Now let's move towards the section 2. Section 2 is going to be the before and after. So before I say anything, oh my god, processing abounded. This video could not be processed. Oh wait, why? What just happened right here? I need to see that. Um, where the fuck is this? I have. Okay, let me just directly go into playlist and prediction. I've predicted this. Like I don't want to say. I want to show what I said and has happened or not. Sunday swing 6 April to 10 April, 6 April to 10 April, and this is a video we are going to play right now. Hello, welcome back, guys. Oh my god, the same shirt, like. No, this is not cool. This is not what? This is the exact same shirt which I'm wearing right now. I thought I'm wearing it after so much long time, and you can see what has happened. Let's go to section 4 of this video because it's a summary of what I was looking at. This is what I'm actually looking into. So next is GBP USD. So this is only the currency which actually makes sense. So oh my god. So this is very high trade, very high probable trade. Let me just go back more. Have done this, the next candle have created a red candle. So we can easily pretend and predict that the next candle is going to create the red candle. Even on the other currency, Euro USD has also. Can you able to see that? Let me just check it out. My mouse is over here and my camera is right here. That means I need to reduce the camera like this. Then now the camera is coming till here. That means till here. Okay. From the exact same pattern, we gone up, we gone down, and when we were going down, this candle half closed up below these two candles. So the next candle is going to push to the downside. So the same exact thing, like this is getting confirmed from multiple different views. So it's very high trade, very high probable trade. It's going to create a red candle. And if we go on a daily time frame, we can easily can see that it has come. It has it has created a new lower low, then it has created a new lower high, beautiful lower high. Also we have stopped in this area, created a doji, and now we have also created a push to the candle to the downside. So now next candle is going to create the wick to the upside and is going to create the candlestick to the downside. This is what I'm talking about. CHF Let's go and see the CHF. Does that happen? What I said has not happened, my dear brother. Has not happened. And why in the world it has not happened? Guess what? Because there is no reason. Okay, it was a very high probability. It should create the candlestick to the downside, which never happens. So I was literally looking to take this trade, and yeah, I was literally looking at to take this trade, but I think yeah I do I think I didn't I have I take this trade on my other. Yeah, I think so. I took this trade on my other account. Oh yeah, I clicked. I yeah, this was a trade. I was yeah exactly. Just a second. This is 15 minute higher low. Um, I need to check, man. I don't think so. I have took this trade or not. But I've took some trade on my other account, which is like the funded account, not funded, the competition account, and I've done the loss in that, and I know exactly why. It was my mistake. The candlestick haven't closed below the certain level I was waiting for, and accidentally took that trade and hit the stop loss instantly. It's crazy. And I was like, but like there was 2 seconds was remaining to candlestick close, and that candlestick was below the certain echelon, that certain level, and that is the time I have gone and placed their trades, and when I come back, when the candlestick closed, I was like, fuck, this candlestick haven't closed below that line. Fuck, this happened. So yeah, so this is not have done. So I was waiting for the candlestick to come to this area of interest. When it comes to the area of interest, it never stops and it just push coming and it just gone up. So what I said never not happen, and yeah, this is how it looks like. So the prediction was that it is going to go down. It don't happen. So first time in the life, what I said has not happened. Okay, so let's go for next. Is going to get happen as per the data. So that's why I'm going to look into for taking the sell trade redundant. So what I'm actually waiting for, I'm waiting for the 1 hour to create the lower high right here to take the sell trade to the downside. So I was waiting for 1 hour to create the lower high. Lower high 1 hour got created, the beautiful lower high, and started going to the downside. And I was waiting for retracement. I didn't got the things which I wanted to see. I didn't took this trade then. Next is fucking easy. So this is only the currency which I'm looking to take the trade in the next week, because this is only the currency which actually makes sense. So the next backup currencies, all other currencies other than this currency, all other currencies are just for prediction. If I see and if I miss the trade on CHF then other currencies I will look into taking a trade. But these are only the currencies which I am in. This other I speak a lot, man. I speak a lot. Below this candle, looking for simply break of the candles. What I'm actually looking into. So next is GBP USD. So in GBP USD, I'm waiting for simply break of the candlestick below this candle to take the trade, and then retracement, and then taking a trade from here to here. That's it. I'm waiting for GBP. I was waiting for the candlestick close below this candle, below this two candle. Let's go and see, does GBP USD have candlestick close below that candle? We'll see. The candlestick haven't closed below this candle, and I have literally avoided the beautiful loss by just waiting for the candlestick close. This is insane. And after while I was creating the live trading video, and guess what? I mean, it was looking so brilliant for taking the buy trade. Even if I was looking for taking the sell trade, but then I have shifted my bias because it has closed like an engulfing candle. So I was like, no, I mean, it looks beautiful for taking the buy trade right now. So I was waiting for break and then retest, and right here I could easily end up buying this currency, and look at this. Mm. Easily, like easy. Look at this, like 21,000 I have missed on the table. Isn't that crazy? I'm like, okay, so now what? This is what called the drifting. Okay, this type of trading, what call is drifting, and I am not that expert. I'm not have the reputation for the drifting, so that is the reason I haven't took this trade. Drifting means what I predicted is not happening, so what a market is giving, you can take that trade on based on that. So this is called drifting, and I don't want to do it because I don't have that experience, which is what is going to come pretty much within 2-3 months. I'm going to have the experience on a drifting, so that I can take such type of trades and never miss profits. Next is Euro USD. I'm waiting for the 4 hours break and then retracement towards this area of interest, and then I'm going to take the sell trade pretty much from here like this to here. Easy. So I was waiting for the 4 hours Euro USD. Would you look at that? Would you look at this? The 4 hours. Hold on. No, not this. I was like, what? It haven't done that. Then how in this was a previous trade. So yeah, I was waiting for the 4 hours the 4 hours, right? The 4 hour was looking like this. Would you look at this? The 4 hour was looking like this at the start of the week. So I was waiting for the clean break and then clean retest, and then I was waiting for my entry signal to take the trade from here to here. It never happens. Never took the trade. Have beautifully avoided a loss to perfection, but then again the drifting comes. I was literally now because of the drifting why I was looking for buying rather than selling, because again the candlestick have closed engulfing to the upside. So I was like, fuck, this looks beautiful. This literally looks beautiful. Even it's just not the one thing. It is makes sense. Whenever we are above we buying, whenever we are above we buying, whenever we are above we buying, whenever we are under we selling, whenever we are under we selling, under we selling, above we buying, and above we should be buying. So that is why I was looking for taking the trade to the upside. Also every single time frame got bullish, and guess what, we end like I was literally looking for taking this trade. I have missed this beautiful beautiful trade on the line, and we could easily make 14,000 here easily. Like not even 14,000, more than 14,000, like 18,000. This is crazy, like crazy. 14,000 I miss right here. On GBP USD I missed 22,000, 21,000 plus 41,000. Just calculated. 21 plus 14, 21 plus 10 is equals to 31, and plus 4 is equals to pretty much 35, 34, 35. Yeah, 35,000 I missed this week. Fuck. It is what it is, man. This is the opportunity. That is what I'm talking about. I need to finish this kind of lectures. I need to finish this practice of drifting so that I can take such type of trades, and I just don't end up in a negative. I have done loss this week, and that loss could easily be avoidable. And rather than being in negative at the end of the week, I could easily be in a positive, a lot bit positive. So next is by fucking you. CHF is going to be the other, also one more trade that I'm waiting for the of break of this structure to take the sell trade to downside. That's it. Tam. So I was waiting for CAD JPY. Look at this CAD JPY coming here. CAD JPY I was waiting for the break. Where it is? Monday. Yeah, over here. This starts over here. So I was literally waiting for the candlestick to close below this candle, as I literally said over here. Would you look at this structure to take the sell trade to downside? I was waiting for candlestick to close below this candle. I was waiting for this candlestick to close below this candle. It never happened.
It's 17:30.
Never took the trade. So this is the trade. Yeah. Oh boy, this carbon dioxide is getting excluded from me. Alright, so this was a trade. How can I say? I just don't want to explain the things, but what has happened, because it will reveal the things which I was. No. Let me just explain it. So this was a trade I have took it on all of the competitions accounts, and I lost it. On total amount I lost is minus $14,000. What has happened is okay. So see, this is the higher high. This is the higher high. This is the higher low. I was waiting for the price to close below this line, and and when I was taking the trade, when that this candlestick, the 1 to 2 seconds remaining, this candlestick was closing, like coming down over here, and At that time I just saw these two candles and I was like, this candle is closing below these two candles, and what we want is that we getting what we want, and I took the trade. And then I mean it was this zoom, and once I took the trade, then I was like, fuck. Then I zoom it out and I was like, oh fuck. We were not waiting for candlestick to close below these two candles. We were waiting for candlestick to close below these two candles. I didn't close. It just closed parallelly. It never closed below. It closed at the same level. It needs to be closed below. And I instantly stopped loss it. I was like, cool. This is the mistake. This is the, I mean, how we can say, this is a reward of the mistake we have done. This is exactly what the reward we got. Now after that, there was a beautiful setup was getting formed right here. Okay. I didn't took this trade. I just like, there was beautiful setup was 1 hour got bearish, and right here we could easily take the sell trade, but the take profit was not making sense. Look at this, like this line, this boxes are this important, because when we come on this we reverse. I took the sell, like I was looking for taking the sell trade, but when the stop loss and take profit have aligned, it just like one is to 41. I was like, I mean, it's not even 1:2, so I'm like, no, I just don't want to take the trade, and I probably missed the profits. I can adjust some kind of like this. Probably I could do that, but I just don't want to mess things up, so I didn't do that. This is what again called like a drifting, and I don't want to take this type of drifting trades until and unless I haven't done the practice. So now I'm just my back is paining, man. I am in a whole day. I'm just sitting and working on the schedule, planning a whole year and doing a lot of things which need to be done. And now I'm coming back to this. So I missed this trade again. So now how much if I just like this was a high risk trade, and if we just take the things, yeah, probably we can keep the stop loss. Yeah, this will be the stop loss. The high of this candle will be the stop loss. Easily 1:5. Yeah, this was easily 1:5 would be our profits. So now I think so my mom got to leave or what? Think so. So easily one is over here again. We missed the $5,000. We probably missed nearly about 30, 40,000 dollars. Nearly like a 50%, like 40% profit would be gain. 40% of our account profit would be gain in a whole in just 1 week. This is crazy. Do you know? Do you understand the power of this thing? It is huge. So now let's go for the next. No. Wait. Let me just clear it. Okay, I will talk a lot. And then go sunset to day, and then I'm waiting for the 4 hours to create. This is NZDJPY, and we're talking about next currency. Lower high, and then go to the downside. Okay, NZDJPY, look at this. NZDJPY, look at this. I was waiting for the price market started like this, and I was waiting for the price to come to this area of interest and then push to the downside. Pretty much that's what I said in the video as well. Look at this. I'm hit the lower high and then go to the downside. This is what I said. It needs to come to this area of interest, create the lower high and push to downside. That is the reason I have took this trade. This was the exact trade which should be always taking a 9 out of 10 times. Every single time I will be taking this. But now with my new entry model, I will never take such type of trades. I have grown up myself this big that the losses is going to get excluded to the next to 1 or 2. It can't be 0, but it can be reduced nearly about negligible. 1 or 2 losses, that's it. Like in a month or in a quarterly we'll be just getting one or two losses, like, and will the profits will be like 6-7 times profit, so ratio will be so much higher profits because we are excluding the losses. Like, this is a bullshit motherfucking loss. Like, this could easily be avoided by my new entry model. By Alex strategy, this could easily will be the loss which I have already taken. But the entry model which I have come up with, the new entry model, which I am not going to share it, not going to sell it, I'm just not going to reveal it, because if I reveal it, then everyone will use it and that entry model will not get respected. I just don't want to, I want secrets to be with me. So that is the reason that new entry model would easily avoid the loss, but we took this loss no matter what. And again, like, again, if like drifting is coming. Okay, so if we just we close above these two candles, right? So now daily got bullish, so we should be looking for taking the buy trade. So this was easy buy, man. This was easy buy right here. This was the beautiful buy right here. Look at this. The 4 hours also got bullish. We got the engulfing candle, but the time it is happening is midnight, 2 a.m. I will never take this trade. So I will wait for the retracement, and there will be no retracement, and we'll be missing these profits. So pretty much nothing. हाँ हाँ ये तो हाँ ये तो. So pretty much we miss all of these trades, and if like what I have predicted has not happened, but guess what? What I have predicted, it is going to go down just because of this, and that thing didn't happen. So it has done opposite of what I said. I have said it is going to go to the downside. I need this daily candlestick closure or whatever I said, but it didn't happen. So it just reversed and gone to the upside. We could easily flip our prediction and just ride what market is going, and pretty much this is what called drifting, and I'm literally looking for learning for it. I'm on to it, but for a whole me just can't drift until we learn the basics again, because I need to learn the basics again, which is what I'm doing the backtesting in a 2023 years of data. So this is how it looks. So prediction rate, which is 0. We can say safely 0. Like, there is no prediction rate. Whatever I said haven't happened, but it oppositely happened. So we can technically say it like 100% prediction rate, because I have said it is going to go down, but because of this reasons, and that reasons never seen, so that's why it has flipped opposite. I said it's going to go down just because of these 3 things, and that 3 things didn't happen, then it gone up. So we can say 100% win rate, because I said it is going to go down because of this, but it gone up because the things which I wanted to see never happened, so it flips. We can say 100%, but I don't want to consider this. So technically the prediction rate for this week was nearly 0. So there is no prediction rate. So like, yeah, so how you can say like 90%, not even 90, yeah, 0% prediction rate for this week. Congratulations. So now I'll just increase this thing. Let me just check it, how much it is increased. So it is increased up till here. Okay, up till here, up till here, up till here. All right, boys. So we have successfully finished the before and the after of the video, of this video. So now we are heading towards, we have successfully finished the section 2 as well. So now we are heading toward the section 3, is the pure you guys were waiting for this, right? Pure analysis of the all of these currencies for the next week. What trades we are going to look, and what is the logic for looking for that types of trades. So let's go and let's do the analysis of each and every single currency. So let's start. Let's see. GBP CAD. Okay, let's just delete it all and let's start with a fresh mind. GBP AUD. So we have came like this. I believe before it create a new higher high, it gotta create the new higher low, and then it is going to create a new higher high. Right now for buying, it's just not ready. I'm just not interested. Skip. Instantly skip this currency like anything. Euro USD. Next is Euro USD. Oh my god. I did say this. I said this about in the video, man. I just didn't show it. I said it is going to create a blue candle. And it does create the blue candle. Cool. Let's just start with the one fresh mind. Okay, so the weekly is still bearish, daily is bullish, the 4 hour is as well bullish as well. So now we can look for buying. So before it create a new higher high, this is the area where it can have the rejection, because whenever we are above we're buying, whenever we are under we're selling, and we are under. So technically it's very hard for him to go above this. So it is pretty much is going to come back to this area of interest to have the retracement. And would you look at this? Oh my god, this is so this is so crazy. Look at this box. It is gonna come back, have the retracement, and then go up like anything. So pretty much this can happen. This is very likely that it is going to get happen. But let's do some basics thing. If this candlestick is going to get start bearish, this candlestick is going to get start like this, it's gonna come right here, and within the same week, is it going to go up and close like bullish like this? Probably not. It's pretty much going to close like this. But if it is going to close like this, the week where it is, the week is gonna create like this. Oh my goodness, the week is going to create like this. I mean it does looks like a market pattern, but it doesn't look like it. It doesn't look like the way it needs to be. But in the lower time frame, it looks beautiful, man. The weekly week is going to create the new higher low on the daily time frame, and it is going to go to the upside.
It's 17:45.
Okay, sir. Okay, ma'am. What the fuck you are? This is. But if it is need to be, like make sense, it gonna have to be like this. Like. I don't know, man. It just doesn't feel good for me. It's gonna get bearish. It's going to trickle, and then get bullish, and it is going to go upside. The only thing is just turning me off. this is this exact candlestick is going to get formed right here. It's gonna come down and then it's going to go up. But I just don't believe it is going to break, because look at this, man. Like, look at the movement of this. This big will be the movement area of interest where it is. This big will be the movement, and within a week, I don't believe it is going to have. Oh, it does. It does. It does have the movement. I mean, the volatility of this. Oh yeah. The volatile movement is perfect. So it can have this type of movement. All right, I will still keep this in the into okay probability. It's not like a high probable. I just don't like the way it is. But the whatever it is, I'm waiting for the retracement to the area of interest, and I will be taking the trade to the upside. Pretty much, we'll be having the daily EMA as well. This looks beautiful. So I'm waiting for the 4 hours to come, and then boom. I will be having a take profit for this right here. So what we are waiting for, the setup checklist setup. So weekly is bearish. Yeah, weekly is bearish. Daily is bullish. Okay, so we just have this. So until if and only I'm going to take this trade if and only if 4 hours got bullish. That is only the thing. Retracement to area of interest, and we need the 4 hours to go bullish. But because because if you see, the probability is, and yeah, high. Because if you see over here, the 4 hours is creating the higher high, higher low, higher high. So to come to this area of interest, the 4 hours has to get bearish, and I will be waiting for the 4 hours to technically go bullish, and then I will be taking the trade when the retracement is going to get happen. I will be taking the trade once the 4 hours get bullish and the retracement is happen. That right there is going to be my game plan for this trade. Easy. So this is how I'm looking at it. I'll just delete all of this and just place the line, waiting for this to this. I will be doing like this as well. So this is like literally like how I am looking at it. So boys, this is a trade which I'm looking. Euro USD is shortlisted. What the fuck is this? What is this? James New. And why in the world this is have this? Hold on. Just a second. Okay, so this is oh, just a minute here. Someone came over. Okay, that's not my dad. I don't give a fuck then. There is a dad. Then I need to close this. Okay, this looks beautiful. Okay, just before we start, I need to start with a refreshed, fresh mind. So this is the high. This is the higher low. This is going to be our area of interest. This is going to be our area of interest, and I am very much likely to buy this currency because it looks beautiful. It looks beautiful, brother. We have created a beautiful higher low to the upside, and now we are ready to go to the upside. Man, this looks brilliant like anything. How in the world we can go for looking for buying? But the only thing which I'm not liking for this currency, that where are we? We are at the toppest point of this whole entire world. But this is, we can consider this. This is the highest point the market have gone yet, and from over here only the rejection is coming. So I will just mark this area of interest, and I will just drag it down so that we can understand that if we are going to take this trade, we know where we have to get out. Oh, that just we know where we have to get out. Look at this. I don't believe the weekly is going to create this huge candle. So this is actually my going to be my this is my going to be my take profit, regardless of how it feels. So monthly, how about monthly? I just don't like to buy this, man. Why in the world I'm doing the analysis even? It can do the top and then push it on side. It can happen. It cannot be happen as well. It's very high risk trade, but week daily is bearish, creating the lower low, and this is the beautiful shift of structure. It's not technical shift of structure, but it is how it looks like. Um, Either or, what I am waiting for right now is, and this looks pretty much ready for buying here. But I have to make sure I'm taking the right action. So I'm waiting for this candle to close like this, and then I'm going to take the trade to the upside like this. Bullish. I am pretty much going to look for this like this. Bullish. This makes more sense rather than buying like this. I mean, we can buy, and to take profit also makes sense to me, but oh, the 4 hours turns bearish, and that is what I don't want to. So I will wait for the 4 hours to go bullish. Means the weekly is bullish. Let's just it is making a lot more confusion. Let's just type it, and let's say for that. Weekly is bullish, daily is lower low, lower high, daily is bearish, and the 4 hours is as well bearish as well. So I need the 2 time frame in sync to take the trade. So I will be waiting for the 4 hours. We'll just delete this. I will just wait for the 4 hours to come back to the area of interest and get bullish. Once it get bullish, then we'll be buying this currency. That right there is the game plan, and that is what the red candle on a daily time frame is going to get created. This is like connecting a lot more things, and that is what is like giving me a lot more confirmation that hey, this is looks good to me, and we are very much ready for us to go bullish. We're looking for buying, and the probability is medium, the risk is medium as well. This is probably going to be my last option, but there is a trade behind it. Now next is NZDJPY. Oh, what the fuck is happening? So now you look at this. This is also a JPY currency, and this is also JPY currency. Every single currency in a same currency like JPY is gonna go up. I believe in this now. Oh my goodness, this looks brilliant for me. It has, yeah, monthly, man. It has took the, hold on. It has to the support from this area of interest, and now we are ready to go to the upside. Pretty much that is what is going to get happen, right? Let's just exclude wait, let's just delete every single thing, and let's start with fresh mind. So this is how the monthly looks like. Okay, so this is how we have taken the support from this area of interest, and we're looking good to go to the upside. Weekly is bullish as well. We have beautifully have created the engulfing candle to the upside. Hold on. So it feels like I have eaten the air or what. The fuck is happening? Okay, so now for me, it looks bit sideways, and I don't want to look at it now. I just don't want to look at it. Yeah, it just fucking sideways like anything. But if I am going to look into for taking the trade, I will be waiting for this area of interest on a weekly time frame. And if we go on, because this is whenever we are above we're buying, and whenever we are above we're buying, and whenever we are under we're selling. And if we go on a daily time frame, would you look at this? This is so brilliant. Look at this. Like we do have the daily EMA. So this looks brilliant. So I will wait for the candlestick to come and reject this EMA and then push to the upside. That right there is the game plan. And also on a daily time frame as well. Whenever we are above, we're buying, above, we're buying, above, we're buying, above, we're buying, above, we're buying. And right now we are above, so we should be looking for buying. And I missed this trade. I remember this trade, man. I missed this trade. Yeah, this is so brilliant. I would end up making $11,000 on the February. Crazy, like. But now it's time to roll up and make a lot more money than you ever imagined. But the only thing is I'm not liking it. Just like it's a bit sideways. It's working in the box, and if it is going to come back, it will be working in the box as well. That is what me turning me off. I will add as a note, but I will just keep an eye. Okay, so daily. Wait a minute. So weekly is bullish. Weekly is bullish, and daily is bullish as well. Bullish as well. 4 hours. Oh my, look at this. This is most high probable. The 4 hours is going to have the retracement to the EMA. Technically 4 hours is going to get bearish, but we will be having a weekly and a daily bullish. So even regardless of 4 hours is going to get bearish, because it is going to come and reject this EMA. We still have 2 time frame in sync, so we can easily can look for buying this currency. So no matter what, for us, even if for us get bearish, I'm okay. I will take this trade no matter what. I like this trade, I like this trade, but I will not take the trade once it comes to the area of interest. No, I need to see my entry signal, then I can able to take the trade. So we're waiting for the area retracement to area of interest, and we're looking for buying. And hold on. The 4 hours is bullish, right? The 4 hours is bullish, and we have
It's 18 hours.
the 3 time frame in sync, retracement, and we're looking for buy. The probability is stock with this. Probability is high, and I will add as a note that the daily looks bit sideways. Keep in mind, because I have to keep in mind because of this, because I have to keep this mind that I need to get out when it is going to come to this area of interest. That is what the sideways box looks like. It's just being into this box. If I'm going to take the trade, I will be getting out of this area of interest right here, pretty much. So this is how it looks like. So I'm also adding this currency in NZD Beautiful. Let's go on a GBP art. Looks like this week is a JPY currency. Okay, we came to the area of interest. Now we are ready. Oh shit. So this right there is the area of interest, and pretty much we are rejecting it. rejecting it. So now very high chances, yeah, this looks beautiful. There is very high chances that it's gonna create the blue candle like this. Where it is. It's going to create the blue candle like this. This is a beautiful higher low to create the new higher high. I really like this currency. So now daily is also bullish, and also we got the daily engulfing candle as well. Even the four. Oh my goodness, this looks real. This looks solid. Like I'm getting so good at this. I can see the fucking future, man. I can see the fucking future. See the future, man. I can see, like, wow, this is brilliant. Like, this is brilliant. Look at this. Now this is the 4 hours is bearish. We just wait for the break and then fucking retracement to this EMA. In fact, the 4 hours is also going to get bullish. We're going to take the buy trade from here to this. Looks more highest probable for me than whatever I say up till whatever I see up till now. And even will be having the break candlestick close above this box, because whenever we are under we're selling, whenever we are above we're buying, and whenever we are under we're selling. Oh my goodness, this is so much respect. Above we're buying, above we're buying, above we're buying, and under we're selling. So once I need the candlestick close above this candle, above this box, which also going to turn the 4 hours break, 4 hours bullish, and will be waiting for the retracement on the area of interest, will be behind the retracement to the EMA. This looks solid to me. This literally looks solid. So what I'm actually waiting for, the daily candlestick close like this. Once that done, we'll be going down to the 4 hours time frame. We'll be seeing the break and retest of the 4 hours, and that is the time we will be looking to take the trade. It's not like we saw this and I'm going all in. No, I need to see more such type of things. I mean, I need to see my entry signal. Once I see my entry signal, then I will be interested to take the trade. But as of now, I like this trade like anything. So this is gonna be my pretty much, maybe gonna be my number one trade. Weekly is bullish. Daily is higher high, higher low. So daily is bullish as well. Yeah, weekly is bullish. I know you probably guys thinking like weekly is bearish. No, brother, because weekly have created the lower low, then the lower high, and the lower low. This candlestick have closed below these two candles, so that is the reason this has created a lower low. And now we have created a beautiful beautiful higher high. So we turn bullish, retracement, and push it upside. This is literally is it. Crazy, like this is so simple. So now we have two time frame in sync, and we're waiting for the 4 hours to go bullish. So I'm waiting for the buy. Probability is high. I like this currency here. I seriously like this currency. And guess what? The matter of fact, we are so into low. We came so low that it gonna have to come up. It gonna have to come. Like this is there is a, if I say there is a very big magnet is right here, and it is going to pull this price up. Will you buy it? For sure you're going to buy it, and that is what I'm actually looking at it. Euro JPY, where are we in the move? We are at the top is top. I am not interested in this, but this is also confirming that, brother, all the JPY currencies are going to go up. I am just not interested in this currency. Signing off. AUD CAD. Okay. Oh, look at that. I have what? I literally have predicted this entire move, man. What? Wait a minute. Like what? What? I have literally created a box, and the candlestick have came and stopped and close in middle of the box. I really want to see this. I really want to see have I predicted this or not. let's just go and let's see it right now. I'm super excited to see it right now. Where it is, AUD cat. Just give me a second. My analysis is right here, pretty much somewhere down
going
here.
to keep continuing outside. So
AUD cat.
it's because I was starting missing.
AUD cat.
I don't know, man. I just took
Okay. Where it is? Where it is? Where it is? Where? Oh.
to me.
Oh, this is the AUD cat. Look at this.
Go up and go down, and then it's going to close like this. Or it can just come to the downside. Yeah, actually this can form.
AUD cat. We started with AUD cat. I
Yeah,
really want to see.
higher to create. Sorry, higher low to create the new higher high.
Oh my god, look at this. This is what? This is the AUD cat on the 4 days before I have uploaded this video, and guess what?
From days. Split sideways. It's not in a trend. I'm just not interested. This I don't know. Yeah, this is what I'll do. Like now usually cat looks like it is created a higher high to create. Sorry, higher low to create the new higher high.
I said it is going to create a new higher, and that means the candlestick is going to create like this. And look at this. This makes me crazy like anything. It makes me so happy. Not because of I'm gonna make money on this. No, absolutely not. Thus, the struggle you have done for years and years, now it is like, yo, it is working now. It's now your time. Look at the candlestick I've literally have created inside the box, man. It never gone up, never come down. It literally, even if I just get it sideways, the wick haven't even gone above. It just came and just wow, yeah, wow. Literally, I have grown myself a lot, man. I literally have missed this trade. Again, this was not my type of trade, because where are we? We are on a toppest move at the time, and I mean, yeah, we are not a toppest move. The toppest move is on the toppest move right here, but we are at the highest high at the level, and I just don't wanna get involved in this type of market. So I simply skip it. Euro odd. I mean, man, I've predicted this market, yeah. Like, this is crazy. This is crazy. So, oh wait, oh wait. I saw this pattern here. Oh wait. I think I saw this pattern. Oh, somewhere down there. Euro USD. Oh no, CAD JPY. Hell, like what? This is exact same pattern. Look at this. This is one red candle, one red candle, one blue candle, one red candle, one red candle. If we go on whatever, what was it, was euro odd, look at this on a daily time frame. It's exact same, but one red candle, one red candle, one blue candle, one red candle, one red candle, and after that it just started moving to the downside. Like, this is what I like to see. Now it is more confirmed that this whatever it is, what was it, CAD JPY and ZJPY is no Euro USD, no CAD JPY, yes, CAD JPY is going to come down. Wait, like, this is market is giving us question, and also it is giving us the answer paper as well. This is crazy like anything. So I was waiting, like, to buy this. I was waiting for break and then retest. It never happens. Never take the trade. So yeah, I was waiting for the candlestick to close above, because just don't want this trade. So now, how we are looking at it? Let's go on a monthly time frame, and how we're looking at it on a monthly. So we have created a doji. So now it's very high chance that it is going to create the blue candle to the upside. You know why? Because it just came so low, created a doji, and now it needs to create that higher or even if it is now weekly, monthly is bearish, it gonna create that new high, lower high to create a new lower. It's gonna have, it's gonna have to create such kind of things, yeah. So now if you go on this, I will never take this trade. What do you look at? Because we are stuck in this zone. Yeah, we're stuck in this. I am good. I'm good. I am good. Look at this. Like whenever we are under, I will show you. Whenever we are under, we're selling. Whenever we are under, we're selling. Under, we're selling. Whenever we are under this area of interest, we're selling, selling, selling. And right now, what we are doing over here, we are pretty much inside of this box where I just don't want. We have very much good trades right here. Just don't want to get involved in such type of trades. Even the weekly is also bearish, and the daily is bullish even. Okay, daily is bullish, and the 4 hours is, I mean, this is exact same exact same trade right here, exact same trade in the GBP odd. The exact, like this looks identical, man. This literally looks like GBP odd and what with euro odd. This looks identical. If I just take it like this, and if I just flip it like this looks like fully identical. So I will just take this GBP odd because it does make sense, rather than taking the euro odd, because in euro odd weekly time frame is this is the higher high, this is the higher low, and now we break under the higher low. So now weekly is bearish in the euro odd, but in euro GBP odd weekly is bullish. So this is only a reason I just, and also this makes more sense, man. Even this is inside the box, correct, that's true, but weekly is bullish and the euro odd weekly is bearish. So I just don't want to get involved in such type of confusion things. So I'm good, you know, I'm just good. Euro GBP, no, odd cat, wait, I just messed the things up. Have we considered this? Oh yeah, we considered this. So yeah, this was also the currency. I was looking at it in previous week. Skip it. So hold on. This is Euro GBP. I'm not interested. Euro GBP I am also not interested because it's just like in the middle of these two zones. And also this doesn't looks like don't like this. AUD CAD, I printed this, I missed this. Euro odd, yeah. Now let's go for GBP USD. GBP USD looks more cleaner than Euro USD for me. Would you look at this? In a Euro USD weekly is bearish, but in GBP USD weekly turns bullish. GBP USD looks good than Euro USD. I will be looking at it. So now I think I need to take a 2-minute break instantly because I have drank a lot more water. I gotta have to. You just timer.
It's 18:15.
You just see the timer of like no 5 minutes. No 3 minutes. Just have this timer in front of you, and
Contestant number 1, ChatGPT. Ad spend didn't increase, but our pipeline targets tripled.
This
What's
looks
your
like
idea of a
reason.
romantic weekend?
Great question. Here are
okay, I will back. give me more 30 seconds. Alright, boys, we're back in the game. Don't care about this now. GBP USD looks good to me, like anything. We have to figure out all of this. So, monthly time frame. Oh, would you look at this? Monthly time frame looks good. Monthly got bullish. It got a higher high. It got beautifully created a higher low. So now it looks like it is going to create the new. It is going to keep continue to push to the upside because it has this power to go up, because it is like a lot of reasons, you know. So now I like this, the way it is looking, you know. Rather than Euro USD, I like GBP USD more than Euro USD. So now if we just go and find the area of interest where it is going to have that retracement, pretty much. So we're just going to find it. This is 1, 2, 3. So we can round this up. 1. There is 2 rejections, and there is going to be a 3. And we will be having the weekly EMA as well. Now it's very likely that it is going to just weak, and it is going to create the full blue candle to the upside. And would you look at this? It is so much coincidentally things are happening. Look at this box. Whenever we are above this box, we're buying. Above this box, we're buying. Above this box, we're buying. Buying. Above box, we're buying. And right now we are above. So what we are actually looking at it, and I know exactly what we are looking at it. We are looking at it to have the retracement towards the area of interest, towards the daily EMA, and then push to the upside. This is what is going to happen. Oh, what is going to? Oh my God, this looks brilliant. We'll be having the 4 hours EMA as well. This right now literally looks good. Also, the 1 hour will get bearish, 1 hour will be bullish. We'll be buying this currency. This right there looks brilliant for me. Now if the Euro USD is going to have the retracement, man, GBP USD looks more good than Euro USD, because when Euro USD is going to have the retracement, the 4 hours is going to create the lower lows and lower highs. Means lower lows and lower highs means the 4 hours is going to get bearish. But in a GBP USD, if the 4 hours is going to have the retracement to the area of interest, the 4 hours is still bullish. This is the higher high, this is the higher low. So GBP USD, I love it like anything. I am going to let's just keep straight here. GBP USD, I love it. So now let's type this. We're gonna have to create the type this as well. So weekly is bullish. I love this like anything. Daily, let's go on a daily time frame. Daily is bullish as well. Oh, sorry. Daily is BULLISH bullish as well, and the 4 hours is bullish as well. So we got 30%, So what are we waiting for? Daily need the retracement candle. Yeah, absolutely, we're waiting for the retracement. Simply retracement to area of interest, and we are looking for buying. The probability is extremely high. This probably is going to be the number one trade rather than Euro. We'll keep in Euro USD in line because I want to see the when the 4 hours is going to get bullish of Euro USD, the GBP USD is also going to have the pump up to the subside. So we'll be having a double confirmation in our hand. I will just keep it as it is, I will keep GBP USD a number one trade, Euro USD as a confirmation for buying a GBP USD. Once the 4 hours is going to get bearish to bullish on Euro USD, the GBP USD is going to be probably is going to go up. So now look at this. What happened? It has happened to the perfection again. Oh my god, we again missed this trade. Like, this was a beautiful trade back again, my dear brother. And I will not show you now. You just go and see it. A currency of AUD JPY. This was brilliantly re-engineered re-engineerly predicted. Beautiful. So now where are we? Now again, this is also odd JPY. It is also odd JPY. This currency is also saying that it is going to go up. It has a JPY. That means other JPYs we have shortlisted as also saying that it is going to go up. And now we are also confirming with the other JPY currencies. Now this looks like the most highly confirmable correct trade. But the only issue is right now we are at the top stop in odd JPY. I just don't like it. GBP JPY. Again, the same exact thing. We are going to go up in GBP JPY, means it has a JPY currency. That means the trade which we have shortlisted, it also has a JPY currencies. Means if GBP JPY is going to go up, this all of the JPY currency is going to go up. We just need to take the JPY currency, which is make more sense. So right now we are at the top stop on this move. Technically, this is the top. I mean, yeah, this is the top, but it's probably going to reject from over here. But I just don't want to. Still, we are at the top stop on the move. I just don't like this currency, like the way it is looking at it. I just don't like it. So I'm going to skip it. USJPY on the other hand, the USJPY is also a top stop, but we I missed this trade again. Fucking missed this trade. Yeah. So now what is USJPY is looking like it is going to go to the upside and also downside. Like now how it like I personally feel like when does this happens, it does fill the week like this bearish, and then the next week it is going to create the blue candle to the upside. I believe, I think it is going to do like this, because but the only thing which is I'm not liking it, the way it is showing that the things. Fucking sideways idol. Oh fuck. I'm just super tired now. Speaking only alone. How much? 1 hour 37 minutes. Non-stop using my brain. So one daily is still bullish. I'm just not liking it currency. So but we can prediction is pretty. I believe it is going to go up because all other even though I feel like it is going to create a red candle and then the next week it is going to go up, just because of other currencies, other JPY currencies are going to go up. I believe this is also going to reflect this currency, and also it is going to go to the upside. I feel like it is going to get happen. I feel like, so if I'm feeling like if this trade is like a based on feelings, what I do, I just keep the trade. Oh, okay. So now we have evenly close above the. Now weekly got bullish. Oh my goodness, this is so much. Oh my goodness. Would you look at this? We are about to create the new higher high on the weekly time frame, which is gonna be a very so much high probable buying trade is going to come. So now this is going to be our take profit, and would you look at this? This is the price where whenever we are going to come, we're selling. Okay, whenever we are under that area of interest, we are selling. So I will just drag this area of interest to the right so that we can have the take profit to the perfection level. So I will just do like this. Yeah. So I love this trade, man. I love this trade like anything. Wow, and the damn flying fucking war. Let's go. So I am looking for buying this currency. Okay, so now this is the area of interest. I mean not feel. It looks brilliant because whenever we are under, we're selling, under we're selling, under we're selling, above we're buying, and we can grab this as well, or we can just keep like this, or we can grab this. What do you think? What we should be doing? For just one, we just can't go ahead of this. I feel like
It's
I'm not
18:30.
feel it does make more sense, like 1 2 3 4, and it also like away from this. So oh my goodness, what the this is so not good. I mean on a high time frame it just got so much filter, but now this is so much weeks. I just don't like this currency, but let's just predict it, and probably we can take the trade. Probably okay. I need the candlestick closer right here, daily doji, and then push to the upside. Once that happens, then I will be able to confirmly take the trade. It's also going to be retracement to the previous structure area of the 4 hours time frame. Man, this looks solid, man, to me. But I just can't buy on the highest high on the move on the daily basis. I need a daily time frame to close on this and then have the higher low created like that same like this exact same move like this, and then push to the upside. I just want that, um are you going to take the trade really on this, like really? We'll see whatever I want is going to get happen or not, then I will be taking the trade. So what I want is right here is I want the daily red candle. First of all, I want the daily red candle. Then the next day I want the doji candlesticks. Once the doji candlestick is done, then I will be buying this currency from here to here. If I got the retracement candle, then the doji candle, then I will be interested to buy this currency. Else I'm just not. So we have to strictly write it over here because we are up so much upside that we need to be strict on this rules. Else I'm just not interested at all. So we got weekly bullish, weekly BULLISH, daily bullish. The 4 hours is bullish as well. So I need the daily retracement. Yeah, this was already written. Candle. Then I just remove it. Daily doji candle as well, CANDLE, and then I will be then I will be interested to buy this currency. So the probability is high if we got this, but if we don't got, there is no trade technically. Yeah, so this is how it looks like. We will be having the previous structure area of the 4 hours. Like this looks brilliant to me. But the 1 hour also having the EMA touch, brilliant. So it's very solid trade is coming up. But the only thing is like it's bit sideways. That is what turns me off. But other than that, it will be good. So it's a Euro CAD. Cool. So next is GBP NZD. Yeah, we somewhat. This is the last 3-4 things are remaining. Okay, so GBP NZD weekly is bearish, and we came, and now we are having the retracement, and we're taking the supports. Okay, this is the area of interest. Whenever we are above we buying, underselling, we just created the new higher low on this area of interest, but the daily time frame is bearish. The 4 hours time frame got bullish. It's bit messy, and I am just not liking it. I believe it is going to go to the upside, yeah, because I I believe it is going to create the blue candle to the upside. Man, this looks brilliant to me. GBP, this is going to get happen exactly the way I'm saying right now. Even it is, if it is grading this higher low, it aims to go to the upside even like this. So probably the buying is going to get happen right here. And if we see the technicals, it will be strong buy. No, it is buying, but it's not strong buying. That means something is somewhere not good. And how in the world is moving? This right that this, how in the world is moving? The market is off. Oh, haunted. This is crazy, man. This is exactly what the pattern looks like. Look at this. This is a red candle. Once the red candle is done, that's a blue candle. The red candle. Once the red candle is done, the blue candle. The only thing which I'm not liking is the daily turns bearish. It just turns me off like anything, and it just like it just don't look good because a lot more weeks are a lot more upside and downside. Over here also there are a lot more weeks. There is very high chances of hitting these stop losses before it hit to a take profit. I'm good, but this is what certainly is going to get happen. If you just, this is what is going to get happen. Mark my words, my dear brother. I'm going to clip this video in the next week once this candlestick is going to create like this. I'm just not interested because it just doesn't look clean for me. The next is AUDUSD. Okay, yeah, this also looks good to me. Now, would you like this? Looks more clean than whatever it looks. So let's delete every single thing. Let's start with the fresh. Weekly is bullish. Daily is technically bearish. This is lower high. This is lower low. The 4 hours is bullish as well. So I'm just not interested now because even if we manage to take the trade, we're gonna have to get out at this certain point. This is the area of interest. We're gonna have to take this take out, get out at this certain point. So even if we just go on the daily time frame and if we go on marking the area of interest where it is going to have the retracement, this is 1 2 and then 3, but it is so close to the price level. 1 2 and 1 2. This is the last area of interest. So if we flip this, I'm not making sense. 1 or 2 3. So so even if price is going to come back to this area of interest where the daily EM is also there, the take profit is not there, I mean, it's just so tight. It's just like it's not even makes sense, and if you just keep the stop loss pretty tight in such type of sideways market, it will gonna very high chance that it was going to hit our stop loss because it does move like this sideways only. So even if we're going to come back to the area of interest, the daily 4 hours is very high chances that it is going to get bearish. So I just, no man, there is no take profit. First of all, there is no like freely take profit, and I just don't like this currency. Fuck up. USD CAD, Pola USD CAD has done the same exact thing. Fuck. Okay, so now we are actually taking a lot big, very, very, very respected support right here, because whenever we are under this area of interest, selling, underselling, underselling, I will show you. Whenever underselling, underselling, under this box we're selling, above this box we're buying, above this box we're buying, and right now we're pretty messed up, man. We are not in the above, we are not in the below, we are in middle of this box. So I am just not interested. Say CHFJP. Skip, instantly skip. I just don't like this. If I don't like, I don't like. There is no other option. So now it is beautifully not created. What the fuck is creating? The left, the head, and the right shoulder is going to probably is going to come down. Is it what is going to get happen on a monthly time frame? We'll see. Is that JPY currency? Yeah, that's JPY currency. Monthly time for okay, it just we came so up on the monthly time frame. It's gonna have to come to downside, man. It's gonna have to look forward for it. So I am just not interested because it's just in middle of the road. And now Euro NZD, what's up, brother? Okay, looks good to me. So it has came to the previous structure area, have beautifully rejected. Now it is ready to go to downside. On the daily time frame, it is the higher high and the higher low, and the 4 hours time frame is the higher high creating the higher high. I'm just not interested. I just don't like this currency here. Like, no, because it just it doesn't make sense the way it is showing on the weekly time frame. It must get a match with a lot of time. I just not interested in this. Euro NZD looks good to me now. I just wanted to see in the higher time frame. Where are we on the move? Pretty much we are not on the top, but we are on the top of this move. If we just go like this, and then if we just see this area of interest, whenever we are above, yeah, this looks solid. Whenever we are above, we're buying, above we're buying, under we're selling. And if we just drag this area of interest towards this point, towards this current market, we can easily see that it's not ready for buying as of now. It's gonna have to have the retracement to push to the upside, but right now it's not going to go up. Even it have closed like a dozy. That means it's probably have come up and stop. So it's very high chances that it is going to create the red candle to the downside, and then it is going to look into is it going to go up or not. But as of now, it is pretty much likely it is going to create a red candle. I just don't like such type of currencies, so I'm just not interested. And ZCAD, okay, pretty much I'm predicting the market from right here. So it's messy, man. It just, oh wait, where are we? Okay, so this is the lower high, this is the lower low on the monthly time frame. This looks sideways. I just don't like this, man. It doesn't look good to me. Absolutely not. We have more currencies good than this. NZD how about this? Who the fuck it is? Someone is banging the fuck. This is also not looking good to me. Probably not, because where are we in the move? We are in the lowest low. Absolutely not. I'm just not interested in this. So we have successfully shortlisted this currencies are the only currencies which I am looking at it. But now in a Euro USD, okay, so in Euro USD it doesn't make any sense to me. than GBP USD. Look at this. So in Euro USD, we'll compare all of this. In Euro USD, this is the box. This is the area of interest. Whenever we are under, we're selling, under, we're selling, under, we're selling, and right now we are under. And if we are under, we should be sell rather than, and we are literally looking for buying. So this is not a good confluence for us for looking for buying. If we go on GBP USD and if we go on the weekly time frame, this looks solid to me, because there is a resistance, if we can see right here, but it's probably it's probably have the resistance, but it does have the resistance. I mean, now the resistance is same. Okay, take care. The resistance is the same for both of this Euro USD and GBP USD. Only the thing is resistance is a bit far from this and GBP USD is a bit close. Okay, the first thing is same. Second thing is the weekly is bullish right here. In Euro USD, weekly is bearish. Not good. Weekly is bearish. Not good. And in GBP USD, weekly is bullish. Agreed. All not good. So GBP USD is coming
It's
up
1845.
just because of that. Euro USD will keep in pipeline because it looks good. The price action looks good to me. The higher low has already created, but the only thing is weekly is bullish right here and Euro USD weekly is bearish. That's it. Like, that's the only thing. And rest every single thing is same. Every single thing is same. So yeah, and also like 4 hours is going to get bearish in Euro USD once it's going to come to this area of interest, and GBP USD is going to be a 4 hours is going to be still be bullish once it's going to come to this area of interest. Man, I'm just getting so much fluent in English, like anything. It's turned like my second language, or it's probably my first language, I think so, because 99% of time I always speak in English. And the 1% of time I speak Marathi, because there is no one to speak in Marathi. I speak in Marathi with my mom, dad, and the employees which I'm heading towards a job. That's it. Rest of my time is getting spent on the chart, speaking with you, creating the videos. And when I create the videos, I speak in English because I want to get fluent in English like I'm fluent in Marathi. So yeah, that is only the reason. So now next is the CAD. I love both of the language, and that's it. I really love both of the language. So it's not like this one is great, this one is not great. No, I love both of the language. I'm really going to practice both of the language to the perfection. So next is the CAD JPY. Okay, now we are going to shortlist this JPY currency. So we're going to pick only one currency from these two currencies, JPY and JPY. So in a CAD JPY we are bullish, and in NZD JPY we are bullish as well. In CAD JPY price action looks good to me. Okay, so no, wait. Daily is bearish and NZD JPY daily is bullish. But the only thing I'm not liking NZD JPY, because I have already mentioned that the sideways, this thing doesn't look good to me. The sideways box, I am just not interested. But in CAD JPY, we probably, at least it's not in sideways. Yeah, daily is bearish, that's true, but at least we are not in sideways, man. This looks good to me. Okay, honestly, CAD JPY looks good to me. So 4 hours is also got the 4 hours also got bullish, and in NZD JPY the 4 hours is bullish as well, but the only thing is again sideways, fucking sideways. CAD JPY. So what I will I will go with CAD JPY rather than NZD JPY because the way the sideways looking, it's a bit sideways. CAD JPY, at least it's not a sideways. We are in a trend somewhere down there. Also, like in CAD JPY, probably guess so it is going to be have a strong buying. There is a buying right here, not strong buying. NZD JPY is also having the buying. The technical things. This tool doesn't works, but let's use it. Who the fuck is shouting right now? It's very unprofessional right there. You see where I'm living right now? Very unprofessional. So this is a CAD JPY. I will suggest I will take the CAD JPY more seriously than NZD JPY. I will shortlist the CAD JPY for sure. So in NZD JPY, we're waiting for the daily candlestick close. That means CAD JPY is also going to have the daily candlestick close as well. And once the 4 hours is going to get bullish, then we'll be interested to take the trade to the upside. It's pretty much good. Pretty good. I like this. So NZDJPY, yeah. Yeah, but NZDJPY, I don't know, man. This still looks good to me as the current trend because it has a very high volatility candles. But in CAD JPY, just like very small candles. What the fuck was this fucking shouting, man? It's very like very unfucking professional. Who the fuck? See where I'm living right now. We're going to replace this pretty soon. We'll keep this all like before we take any trade. We'll match all of this and CAD JPY and NZD and we'll take the trade based on the confirmation because NZD JPY is going to come down, means 1 hour is going to get bearish, which is already got bearish. Once 1 hour got bullish in NZD JPY, CAD JPY is also going to get bullish on the 1 hour time frame, and also 4 hours is also going to get bullish. Then we can able to take this trade. Then instead I am just not interested in this, like wow. But the matter of fact, the distance from over here is cool. I will take the CAD JPY ahead and NZD JPY as a reference. Let's go on our GBP AUD, GBP CAD, GBP AUD. So GBP AUD. So this is this. Oh yeah, we're waiting for the 4 hours to go bullish in this. So GBP AUD and Euro CAD is the same now. So GBP AUD is going to be probably my number one trade. Probably. This is GBP, this is GBP. If GBP AUD is going to go up, GBP USD is also going to go up. Would you look at this? This is like connections getting formed, and yeah, it's saying like yes, your correction about going to the upside is correct. You just need to figure out how you can take that trade, how you can start in that moving bus without falling. The bus is going to go where you see. Just you need to climb into that moving bus without falling. JPY, I'm very much interested in this. Probably so NZD JPY done. Euro CAD is okay trade. I'm waiting for the daily trade candle, then daily doji, and then once that on, then I'm going to go up. So this is Euro CAD. I will keep like this. Euro USD and NZD JPY is for reference, but let me be clear. Oh my god, my shoulders are paining right now. Let me just sit like this. My laptop got so hot. How's the camera looking? Camera looking okay. But if we got the good entry signal in this Euro USD and ZDJPY, then I will be going into this trade rather than going into this trade. But this is what I'm looking at it. So now in ZDJPY, okay, so done. So now we'll be shortlisting with the time frames as well, like what is going to come first. So this is going to come on Monday. It's probably going to come on Monday. But I will wait for the daily candlestick closure. We're waiting for the daily candlestick closure, right? Yeah, we're waiting for, because this is so much messy, but this is like 2024 data. 2024, 2025, 2026. But also we'll get, it's getting shown right here. 1 4-hour candle, 1 4-hour candle, 1 4-hour candle, 1 1 1 1 1. ठीक है. Probably is going to create the blue candle to the upside. This is going. Okay, boys, we're waiting for. Should we wait for 4 hours to go bullish? Which is what technically we're waiting for, but are we going to wait for more confirmation that we're waiting for the daily candlestick to close and then we'll wait for the retracement to go to the upside? Are we going to do for that? Okay, this is a weekly. It's not this. So if you just take this as like this, how about this? Buying. Yeah, brother, looks good to me now. Yeah. Looks good to me. This is also the good area of interest. I just took it down to make it more precisely, make it more good, to be honest. So I'm waiting for this. Yeah, I'm waiting for the 4 hours to go bullish. Break and then retest. You know what? I really feel like this is the area of interest. This is only a thing. Regardless of how it is. This is the area of interest, and we'll wait for the daily candlestick closure. Doesn't matter even if it is closed like this, I don't give a fuck. The 4 hours is going to get bullish. Break and then retest. Okay, boys, we're waiting for the daily candlestick closure. So because we are below this area of interest, so we want to be above this area of interest. It can close like this, but I don't give a fuck. We need to be above the area of interest. So waiting for the daily to close above the area of interest. Are we doing the correct thing by waiting for this? This could even have the possibilities for missing the trade. Once 4 hours is going to get bullish, this once 4 hours is going to get bullish like this, hold on, like this. It's probably going to have the retracement to the EMA, and then it's going to go to the upside rejection from previous area. This makes more sense rather than taking the trade instantly when 4 hours got bullish. So The break and then retesting is going to get carried up. It's going to make this daily time frame to close bow. We'll see like pretty much if it is go up, it's going to be Monday this, this. Yeah, brother, look at this exact point we're starting the new day. Look at this. Exact same point we're starting the new day. That means yeah. I'm waiting for now. I'm much more confident for waiting for the daily candlestick closer about the area of interest. Very much confidence. So yeah. GBP USD. I am waiting for the retracement to the area of interest. Daily candlestick closure on the area of interest. We can talk about close to area of interest. At least I need the daily to wick into that area of interest like this. So it's going to take like Monday, Tuesday will be coming. So Monday is 1, Tuesday is 2. No, Monday is 0, Tuesday is 1. So we are waiting for the 1 day, right? So Tuesday will going to come up over here, and then
It's
we're going to
19
see
hours.
the trade. So we're throwing this into tomorrow's trade. And the CAD JPY, brother, right here. What in the world we are waiting for? This is going to have a wick to the downside and push to the upside. So whenever we are above a buying and I need that candle close, man, to stone, man. A CAD JPY. I just don't feel like it is going to create such kind of candle after this doji candle. It gonna have to create the red candle to the downside. Is this theory is correct? Let's see. CAD JPY reference is going to get for NZD JPY. Absolutely. If this NZD JPY has to come to the downside, then to go to the upside. Right or wrong? Right, absolutely. So at least we'll be waiting for 1 day. I will wait for the daily candle close on area of interest. It's probably is going to go it's going to come on Tuesday. Because even that makes more sense, brother. Because even if 4 hours get bullish right here, we won't be able to take the trade because we are far away from the area of interest. We'll wait for the retracement, and this process is going to take like nearly about half day. But I still believe, yeah, it needs to create that red candle. Because if this started to go to the upside like this instantly rather than creating the red candle, oh, not like this, it's going to go like this. That means NZDJPY is also going to go to the upside instantly, which is the fucking weird pattern. It's already done this, so it's a weird pattern ever. So I am just not going to take the trade on Monday in this type of currencies. I need this daily to have the retracement to take the trade to the upside. Am I doing some mistake? Let me just clarify it. This is retracement to this area of interest and pushing to the upside. But before it create the new higher high, it's gonna have to create new higher low. So I'll wait for the retracement. As per the thing which I have learned up till now, we need to wait for the retracement. That's it. For the high probable setup, I don't know about drifting, but for the high probable setup, we need to wait for the retracement. The mom have leave. I really need to finish this as fast as possible. So we're waiting for the retracement as well right here. If there is no retracement, there will be a no trade because it's going out of my rules as of now. Up till now, I just can't go. I just can't take the trade outside of my rules. Yeah, look at this. The 30 minute is about to get bearish. Yeah, it's bearish. It's bearish. So it has to come to a downside. It's going to come to a downside. So this is it. Like this is it. So on Tuesday, this is coming. So this is coming on Tuesday. CAT GPY coming on Tuesday. GBP JPY coming on Tuesday. GBP odd is also coming on Tuesday. So on Monday there is no trade. On Tuesday there is very high chances that we will be having a trading activity on Tuesday on GBP odd, probably on CAT GPY as well. Not on the GBP USD because in one day it just doesn't make sense. So this is how it is, and this is going to be temporarily excluded as of now. Euro USD as well, and the DJPY as well. So now we've successfully finished the section 3. My goodness. Speak a lot, speak a lot. I need the water. So, brother, so let's start with section 4, the summary of the whole entire video. So welcome back to the section 4. You all guys, you have waited a lot more time right there. So it is going to be recap of all of this. So in section 4, these are the trades which I'm going to look into taking the trade. Technically, this is the first section. Either I will be taking the trade on CAT JPY or NZD JPY. Either, okay. I'm not going to take the trade on both of the currency. Either I take the trade on CAT JPY or an NZD JPY. And the second pair I'm looking at it, either I will take a GBP USD or Euro USD. I will never end up taking both of the trade. And the last and the best, I will be taking the GBP odd trade and Euro CAD. I'm just waiting for this. So let's recap what we are waiting for on all of the currencies. So in GBP odd, I'm predicting that it is going to create the blue candle to the upside. So I am waiting for right here that I need the daily 4 hours time frame to go bullish and then retracement. Technically this is going to have the daily candlestick closure above the area of interest. Once the daily candlestick close above the area of interest on Tuesday, I will be looking at entering into this trade for riding this move from here to here. Technically this is what I'm actually looking at it on GBP odd. So next is on CAT JPY. I'm waiting for the red candle to close on the area of interest, having the previous area retracement as well. And once that done, which is going to happen on Monday, then on Tuesday I will be looking to take the trade to the upside once the 4 hours is also shifted bullish. That is literally what I'm going to look into CAT JPY. And the third currency is GBP USD. In the GBP USD, I'm waiting for the daily candlestick have the retracement towards this area of interest. Once it comes, then I'm going to look for taking a buy trade on the GBP USD. So now these are the main currencies. So now let's go for the references which I'm going to take the trade for this. So Euro CAD, I'm waiting for in Euro CAD. This is a red candle I'm waiting for on Monday. Tuesday I'm waiting for the Doji candlestick on Tuesday. And then on Wednesday I'm going to take the trade from here to here on Euro CAD. Next is Euro USD. I'm waiting for the retracement towards the area of interest. I'm waiting for like this. and once it comes to the area of interest, then I'm going to take the trade from here to here. Next is NZDJPY. I'm waiting for the retracement towards the area of interest to take the trade to the upside. But only issue is we are pretty much in sideways. So I will make sure we have to make sure to keep our take profit and stop loss as considered in the sideways market. It's very high chances that it will hit our stop loss in a sideways market. So that is the reason I have this is a JPY currency and this is JPY currencies. So CAD JPY looks more cleaner than NZD JPY. Why I'm just connecting these two, because both have the same currency, JPY right here, JPY right here. So both moves same. So we're just going to take the most high probable trade. So this looks more high probable. But if I see the more more cleaner entry in this currencies, then I will take the trade in these currencies rather than these currencies. But I see the entries which I'm waiting for in these currencies, then I'm going to take the trade in these currencies. So this is what it is, brother. I'm just going to also I'm going to take only and only one trade on the next week, which is probably is going to come on 13 April to 17 April. I'm just going to wait for only going to take the one trade. I'm going to risk $100 into that. That's it. So I'm just take the more cleaner trade. So let's see what trades we are going to take. So this is 20%. So this is going to be 30% when 4 hours is going to get bullish. So GBP odd, I'm looking at it. CAD JPY 4 hours will get bullish. I probably will exclude CAD JPY for the high probable setup. GBP USD looks high probable setup. Once the 4 hours is going to get bullish, it's already bullish. So yeah, GBP USD and GBP odd is the high probable. Euro CAD is not a high probable. Euro USD is Euro CAD has 30%. Euro CAD looks high probable, but the way it is looking, I don't like it. Euro USD is okay. It's not a high probable, and this is also the high probable NZD/JPY. So GBP odd, GBP USD, and NZD/JPY looks high probable. So in GBP odd and GBP USD, the winner is GBP USD, just because of over here we can see 30% we already have. Over here we just have 20%. But when the 4 hours is going to get bullish, we'll be having the 30% in this. That means these three currencies technically will be a high probable. Whatever makes more sense at the time, I will be analyzing it, and I will pretty much take it and forget about the trade which I have ticked. I will enter into market by accepting that I'm going to lose this $100, and if I win, I win. But my expectation is to lose. I'm coming into market not to make money. I'm coming into market to lose money, to lose my $100 into that trade. No one is doing this. You probably guys are like coming into market to make fucking money, man. That's why you're losing. I'm coming into market to lose money. That's why I'm winning. That is a very difference of what you think and what I think. That's why I'm over here and you are over there, other side of screen. So this is what it is, boys. Signing off. Have a wonderful day ahead. This is the whole video of the Sunday swing, and I'm fucking tired right now. I'm speaking for like 2 hours and 60 minutes like crazy. I'm a human, man. I'm just not a robot. Alright, boys. Peace. We'll see in the next video. In the next week. Have we done what? Have the market have done what we have said? Have I lost my $100 which I'm going to risk in all of these currencies, or am I going to win this? So this is what it is. Signing off.